Hey everybody, Quinn here with Marq, and in this quick tutorial we want to show you how to use your background remover tool. There are 3 easy steps. Step 1, grab your image. Whether that's an image that you own or something that you've got from stock images off the internet, I've got one here prepared. Now, unlike older processes that required tedious amount of effort to go through and identify the border of your image, we use AI to remove our background. So step 2 is quite easy. All we have to do here is hit the button Remove Background, wait a couple seconds, and there it's gone. Now, step 3, you have a couple options. You can go ahead and hit Download Image and use anywhere, anyhow you'd like, or you can hit Customize and jump into Marq's free product to be able to use that image and put it on a new background, on social media imagery, on YouTube thumbnails, flyers, any type of template that you can think of, and you're golden. It's as easy as that. Go ahead and give it a try and see what other awesome products and tools that Marq has to offer you.